Kritik, see what is written here.
And the critical.
You did it? What is inside? See there. Someone is here. Who is that?
I don't know. It's one kind of a species.
Yeah, I think it's a squirrel.
No, it's a Norton
Red
black
back wall. Oh, that's why we are spotting it. Okay, come. Let's go. Yeah, look at this. What are you doing? Please. நீ இல்லைனாவே ப்ளீஸ் டச் தான் பண்ணுவேன். Kritik, Anna is showing you something. Kritik, I will give up. What's that? You need to wait. Sit and see.
Harry? While Harry takes us back in time again, I'll let you in on a little family secret. Everything on Earth is continually changing, including the Earth itself. Since Morgan's time, the Earth has undergone many mind-boggling transformations. And as the Earth changed, so did life. To survive, mammals have to adapt to their new environments. And that takes time, genes, and a little luck. Consider our cousin, the polar bear. He descended from brown bears. Now, brown fur happens to work quite well as camouflage in the forest. But then, about 150,000 years ago, some brown bears got stranded near Alaska, possibly by a glacier. When it came to hunting seals, whoops, they stood out like sore thumbs. It was easy for the seals to spot them and escape. From time to time, however, a bear was born by chance with lighter fur. He blended in better, making him a more successful hunter. Better hunters were more likely to survive and pass along their genes to their children. So over many generations, the bears that survived became lighter and lighter and lighter until, voila, a brand new species, the polar bear. That is how mammals evolve. Fail to adapt to new environments and your species dies out, becomes extinct. Life is constantly changing and evolving. Always has, always will. Well, what's that, Harry? Harry's saying, who wants to go to a reunion party if everybody's invited? Truth be told, everybody isn't invited. In fact, you need 3 forms of ID to get in. The 3 things that set us mammals apart from all other life. 1, hair. We mammals all have some hair on our bodies. 2, we all have special middle ear bones for super sensitive hearing. And 3, every one of us has a mom who can make milk. That narrows it down to a very select guest list because not everybody has the 3 IDs.